Navnit Verma, Principal of Buddha Public School. We are confident that our school will continue to be a shining example of excellence in education. We will build on our past achievement and forge a new path for the future. We look forward to the great things that are yet to become for our school and community. Thank you.
I am Sakshi Gupta, Vice Principal of Buddha Public School. Since 2019, I am a part of this prestigious institution because of the friendly environment and the coordination among the teachers. As a teacher, I believe that every student has the potential to learn and grow. Building a healthy environment among the students is a key to create a supportive and a learning environment. Thank you.
Myself, Adila Khan, as a science teacher, I have been working in Buddha Public School for 5 years. It is both an honor and privilege to express my heartfelt appreciation and enthusiasm that permeates this educational community. We provide an environment that fosters growth, curiosity, and love of learning to our students because they are the future of our country.
I am Harshita Gupta, student of Buddha Public School. I have been studying in this school since 12 years. In my school, teachers are passionate and knowledgeable about helping students to learn and grow. In my school, technology is used a lot to help students learn. I am very thankful to this school to teach me and all the students lifetime skills and indispensable knowledge to stand out, and also very glad to have a director like you, sir, who is always kind and understanding towards students and their parents. It is not just a school to me, it is a chapter I never want to end. Thank you.
I am Satakshi Verma, head girl of Buddha Public School. I have been studying in this school since 13 years. My school is both an education institution and also a knowledge of temple. I am Aishi Kumaria, a student of Buddha Public School. I have been studying in this school since 13 years. Every student needs an environment to learn and grow, and my school provides that environment. I am glad that God gave me the opportunity to be the part of this school. And Navnit is a principal whose legacy will be remembered fondly. Strong leadership is the foundation of a school's success, and without him it would not be possible. Thank you.